Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, the road was dusty, cracked, and lined with small, worn-down houses. There was a thin, hungry stray dog who hadn't eaten in days. Walks through the village streets, his ribs slightly visible beneath his dull fur. His tired eyes scanned the ground, his legs were weak, and his heart longed for just one bite of food. The dog's ears perk up as he spots a large, juicy bone near a butcher's shop. His eyes widen, sparkling with excitement. His tail wags as he slowly approaches, glancing around to make sure no one else sees it. The bone is meaty, with bits of flesh still clinging to it. Without a second thought, he grabbed it and ran, his heart filled with joy. The dog trots away happily, his mouth clamped around the bone, wanting to enjoy his meal in peace. He felt lucky, as if he had the best treasure in the world. He moves through the village, past small wooden fences and tiny houses with thatched roofs. The dirt path is narrow, and a few curious chickens peck at the ground nearby. In the distance, a small wooden bridge stretches over a calm river, bathed in the golden hues of sunset. But then the dog stops in the middle of the wooden bridge, peering down into the still, mirror-like water. Below him, another dog stares back with a bone in its mouth, only he doesn't realize it's his own reflection. The dog's expression shifts from curiosity to confusion, his heart filled with greed. The dog's eyes narrow as he watches the other dog in the water. His hunger took over his mind. If I take that bone too, I'll have double the food, he thought. His ears twitch, and his grip on the bone loosens as he growls slightly. Greed blinded him, and he opened his mouth to bark and claim the bigger bone. The reflection ripples slightly in the water, distorting for a moment. But the moment he barked, his bone slipped from his jaws and disappeared into the water. A single plop sends ripples across the surface, shattering the reflection. The other dog disappears, leaving only the disturbed water. The other bone? It was never real. Just his own reflection. The dog's face twists in shock as he watches his precious bone sink into the river. The dog sits at the edge of the bridge, stared at the water, heartbroken, his head hanging low, ears drooping. His eyes are filled with sadness as he stares at the river. His greed had cost him everything. His stomach growls once more. Now, he has nothing, just an empty stomach and a lesson learned. A wise old dog sits on a nearby hill, watching the scene unfold with a knowing expression. Greed is a dangerous thing. If we are not grateful for what we have, we might lose even that. True happiness comes from contentment, not wanting more. If you like this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more heart-touching tales.